Welcome to our English learning channel. Here at English Clouds channel, we're dedicated to helping you master the English language one lesson at a time. Repetition is the key to reinforcing new knowledge and making it stick. By repeatedly encountering words, phrases, and grammar structures in various contexts, learners solidify their grasp of the language. Keep learning, keep growing, and never give up. In this lesson, we'll see vocabulary related to the time. Day. A day refers to the period of daylight between sunrise and sunset, as opposed to the night. Hour. An hour is a unit of time equal to 60 minutes. A day consisting of 24 hours. Minute. A minute is a unit of time equal to 60 seconds. Second. A second is the base unit of time in the international system of units. Week. A week is a unit of time equal to 7 days. Month. A month is a unit of time, typically consisting of 28 to 31 days. That is roughly based on the length of a lunar cycle. Year. A year is a unit of time equal to 12 months, representing the period it takes for the Earth to orbit the Sun. Decade. A decade is a period of 10 years. Millennium. A millennium is a period of 1,000 years. Moment. A moment is a brief, indefinite period of time, often implying a fleeting or short-lived instant. Instant. An instant is an extremely short and precise moment in time. Era. An era is a distinct period of time characterized by particular events, developments, or cultural trends. Period. A period is a length of time characterized by particular features, events, or circumstances. Calendar. A calendar is a system for organizing and dividing time into days, weeks, months, typically used to track dates and events. Schedule. A schedule is a plan that outlines the timing and sequence of events, tasks, or activities. Timetable. A timetable is a schedule that outlines specific times at which events, tasks, or activities are planned to occur. Deadline. A deadline is a specific time or date by which something must be completed or submitted. Season. A season is a division of the year, characterized by particular weather pattern and daylight hours. Dawn. Dawn is a period of time at the beginning of the day when the sky starts to lighten. Noon. Noon is the time of day when the sun is at its highest point in the sky, marking midday or 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Dusk. Dusk is the period of time at the end of the day when the sky starts to darken, marking the transition from day to night. Midnight. Midnight is the point in time at the middle of the night, specifically 12 o'clock at night. Generation. A generation is a group of individuals, typically born and living around the same time. Epoch. An epoch is a significant period in history or in a person's life, marked by notable events, developments, or changes. Lifetime. A lifetime refers to the entirety of a person's synchronicity. Synchronicity is the occurrence of events that seem to be meaningfully related but are not causally connected. Chronology. Chronology is the arrangement of events in the order of their occurrence, typically organized by time and date. Infinity. Infinity is the concept of endlessness or boundlessness, often used to describe something that has no limit. Eternity. Eternity is the state or quality of being without beginning or end, often associated with endless or infinite time. And now it is test time. Read the definition and guess the appropriate word. Minute. Decade. instant, calendar, deadline, dawn, epic, chronology, eternity. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a whale of time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. See you in the next video.